Your first $10 online changes everything, because once you make it once, you know you can make it again. And the best part? You don't need money. You don't need experience. You don't even need a laptop. Welcome back to Future Finance Hub, where we turn beginners into earners. If you watched the last video about starting from zero, this is your next step. The fastest way to make your first $10 is by doing simple online tasks. People in the USA right now are getting paid for watching videos, testing apps, answering surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Timebucks, and user testing pay in real dollars. Is it slow? A little. Is it real? 100%. And remember, your first goal is not getting rich. Your first goal is proving to yourself that money is possible online. Now, here's where real growth starts. You can learn a skill for free and sell it for real money. Design with Canva, voice with AI, video editing on your phone, writing using tools. Then you take that skill to Fiverr or Upwork and offer it for just $5 or $10. One client, one small job. Boom. You just made your first $10. Most people make their first $10 and spend it immediately. Smart people do something different. They reinvest. Better internet, better tools, better learning. That's how small money grows into real income. If you're waiting for the perfect time to start, you'll wait forever. Your first $10 won't make you rich, but it will make you dangerous. Because now you know, money is in your hands. If you're serious about your future, subscribe to Future Finance Hub right now. Next video, I'll show you how to save your first $100 fast. You don't need luck. You need action.